Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to the channel. So those that have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at Euro JPY for the next day, which is for the 27th. But before that, actually check the link below, especially on the comment section. There's a link to my Patreon. Actually check it there. There I'll be giving you an update on high probability trade for us to actually take, and I'll also be sharing with you some of my trade for the days and also trade for the week. You can also click to subscribe, and if you want to go ahead to cancel it, if later you actually don't get what you want, then you can go ahead and do so. So let's take a look at what Euro JPY will actually give us for the next day. First, we had a rejection at this level. Watch out, we can see it on the daily time frame. Then again, there was a rejection at this level. So we are now expecting this EURJPY to come to this same level before we have a rejection to drop. So that is to tell you that for the next day, we expect EURJPY give us a bullish move. So this is the level we should watch out for, which is a level of 142.784. So let's watch out for this level of 142.784. Once this EURJPY can get to the level, then we should expect a drop on EURJPY. And if there will be more probability or more trade to be made, I'm going to give you an update on that Patreon. So now this is the 4-hour time frame. So let's try and see it spike up, possibly take out this ice, or come to this ice, bounce down, as price usually reacts to that same level. Once price has reacted to this same level and it is going up, we're very much likely to see it tap this level of 142.28. Then we can see a bounce, and if there will be more movements, then we can now see it go up again to hit this level of 142.784. Anyhow, I'm going to give you an update through that Patreon if there will be more opportunity to go ahead and take this trade.